Hi everyone, so today I will be making a blue bracelets made from beads and a little bit touching of gold and also silver. I have a few design which is already done like this. Let's not waste any more time and proceed with our bracelet. I will be using the same materials that I used earlier, some tools, a few beads, a few type of it, some flat and pin. This is for the accessories at the end of the bracelet. Some extension chain, and also here the gold beads that I will be using in this time. This is a new stretchable thread that I have bought recently, and it's quite stretchy. If I want to compare with the previous that I use, the transparent type. To start off, I will be using a gold beads. It have a diameter of 2 mm. Let's put it in. I don't use any needles because my thread is too thick for my needles. Use one blue beads. I put slightly in. Do this for the total of 7 beads of this type. There, I'm done with the 7 first beads. So next, we will be using a clear type beads. Put 1 beads in and 1 gold bead as a separator, and put another clear blue beads in it. We will need 3 clear beads for this. Another gold beads as separator. Now we will proceed with the 6 mm beads to make the other half of the bracelet. We will need to repeat this step 7 more times because I will be using 7 6 mm beads as well. Make sure to put 1 blue beads and also after that 1 gold beads as separator and proceed to the other one. Put the last 6 mm beads in and 1 more gold beads as separator. Then proceed with putting in another 3 clear beads in. Don't forget to use the separator. For the last part, you need to put another 3 gold beads in. This job is a little bit hard because I'm not using any needles, but if you have one, you should be able to make it faster than me. Just make sure to check if the bracelet is to your liking or not. Now we can cut the other end of the string. Tie the string securely. I normally tie the knot like 2 or 3 times. Cut the extra string. Hide the extra. And here our basic bracelet is done. Now we just going to add a little bit accessories to it so it will look more beautiful. I will be using a flat end wire, so the beads won't fall off. Use a round nose plier to make a loop on top of it. You need to make 2 of it, but you can use the same beads or you can just use a different one as well. Now get your extension chain and put one of the charm that you have made in. Alright, close it and open the other end of the chain to put the other one in. You can use 2 pliers to make the job easier. Both ends have like a charm of it, and then split it in the middle. I will be making one long and one side a little bit shorter than the other. This time I will be using 2 pliers to make my job much more easier. Alright, put it in the middle of the 4 last beads, the gold beads. Close the opening. There we go. It's secure now. There. This is the final result of the bracelet that I just fall in love with. And with this design, you can make a lot of charming and beautiful bracelet. If you make this, make sure to share it in the comment section, and don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.